What up, y'all? It's your boy, Gamer Say, aka Juju. This is Julius, and back with a video. So, Ish Kitchen is doing a meal of the day, which is right now their meal is the General Tso's, the chicken. You know what I'm talking about. Over a bit of rice, fried rice. This is a presentation. Very colorful. Looks really good. Drink, $11. Yeah! Boys from been doing this for a while in Lansing, and I've been trying to support as much as I can. So I figured I'll go through a soup through and give me some Chinese food for the one time. See how it goes.
Oh, delicious.
Chicken's good. It's got a spice to it. It's got a good spice to it. Oh yeah. The rice and vegetables. It's like pretty much going to your Chinese spot in the mall, but made with love. That's got a nice kick to it. But, for 11 bucks, if you guys hungry, I'm pretty sure y'all seen the post. If I haven't shared it, I'm about to share it. Check it out. Can't go wrong with Minute Maid fruit punch, classic childhood drink. I feel like it's worth it. When hasn't his food been worth it? That's really good. A slap. I wouldn't share with nobody though, because I'm selfish.
Selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself because I'm self.
Shout out to you guys who've been supporting me yet again. I'm gonna say it every chance I get. Thank y'all. It really means a lot, the support, especially the donations, because ain't nothing like free. It's always something. You're gonna pay in some way. So I appreciate that. Try and look for a better mic. Help out with that sound quality. Life definitely ain't easy out here. Whether you cooking, you doing the whole YouTube, gaming, or music. Everybody needs support. Oh, even the clothing, cosmetics, and shout out to like all y'all out here that's really trying to grind and really trying to make a name for yourself. I'm gonna support y'all for life. Hopefully one day, what I would like to do is just get to meet y'all one-on-one and make something happen, all of us. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna speak it into existence, and it's gonna be dope. But back to his food. Grade A. From spice to the color, presentation, the layout, flavor, definitely give it a 5 out of 5. And you paying just about the same price you're gonna pay if you go to a place in the mall, but better quality. And for the ones that don't feel like cooking, or you just can't cook at all, you see it, get you some. It's not gonna last all day. You take too long, it's gone. It's here today and gone tomorrow. Like that quote that was in that Drake song. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
It's real. Shit is getting real.
This is really good. Y'all not gonna see me finish this whole thing though. I don't want the video to be too long. How my lighting? Y'all like that lighting though? Yeah. Yeah, it's nice, right? Yeah. See me? See me, I'm glowing, right? You see me in my throne? I'm kind of too big. Let me see like this. I need a crown. It's on my head like this. Kind of lopsided though, so I hang off a little bit. Like that. But I see the beard? You see it. You see it. Don't hate. Whole lot of gang shit over here. I got my nose rinsed. Spicy. But back to Ish Kitchen. The boy Jamar, man's really be out here doing it all. From seafood, pasta, chicken, everything. Chinese food. I think the next thing I want to try is the seafood. So, we're gonna get there. One meal at a time. I'm gonna put his information to his page on Facebook on the link below in the description. Y'all hit him up whenever he making something. It'll be on Facebook. I'll put his Instagram too in case people be on that. But definitely a must try. If you're available right now and you got time to get it, get it. If not, you missed out. It is what it is, homie. Just know I ate it for you. So just know you living, your stomach is living through me. With that being said, we're gonna call this a 5 out of 5, straight flame, fuego. Wash it down with a Minute Maid fruit punch. I'm gonna see y'all next time. I'm gonna drop the video soon. Of course, motherfuckers gotta edit, so cut me some slack. But yeah, it's your boy Gamer saying, throw up my fake gang signs, you know, Thug Life, aka Julius, aka Juju, one and only. This other Julius is out there, other Juju, so that's a lie. But the one and only, you know, that look like this right here. So I'll see y'all later.